I had a good friend of mine, he's a surgeon, tell me, he's actually one of my doctors, he told me, I need to see you because my back hurts and I think it's muscular. And I told him, like I'm going to tell you, it's almost never muscular. Muscles really don't generate lots of pain. The muscles get referred pain from where the nerves or the inflammation occurring in a degenerative joint or disc are occurring and refers to the muscle and can cause spasms of the muscle and tightness, stiffness, the aching, all that. It can be from inflammation, it can be from a pinched nerve, it can be from a variety of things that refers pain to the muscle. So it's really not muscular pain from your back.